guys! Maayong buntag, mga amigo ug mga amiga. Welcome to Cebuano Language Teacher. Today's lesson is about Cebuano Basic Conversation, specifically common greetings. Let's start our lesson by mastering the following vocabulary. How are you? Kumusta? Good, maayo. Morning, buntag. Noon, udto. Afternoon, hapon. Evening, gabi. To or also, sab, pud, sad. If you notice, the words here show different times of the day. Try to master the following vocabulary to prepare you for the next activity. Okay. Unsay gipakita sa litrato? What is being shown by the picture? What's happening here? And what is being shown by the picture? You may choose your answer from the vocabulary list. Next, unsay gipakita sa litrato? 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 And last, unsay gipakita sa litrato? A little test. Fill in the missing vowels. Can you fill in the vowels that are missing in each word? Okay, it's time for a short conversation. As you can see, this conversation is between Floyd Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao. So you probably know these two are the greatest boxers in the world. And they had a match, and you probably know who won. So this is how the conversation went. So Floyd Mayweather asked Manny Pacquiao, "Kumusta?" And Manny replied, "Maayo man, ikaw?" And Floyd Mayweather said, "Maayo sab." Now, you can practice this conversation with someone or you just mimic it. The next conversation is about the conversation between Miss Philippines and Miss Africa during the 2018 Miss Universe pageant. Of course, you know who won during that competition, and it was Miss Philippines, Miss Catriona Gray. So this is how they were talking during the final moments of the pageant. So Miss Philippines asked Miss Africa, South Africa, "Maayong gabi." And Miss Africa replied, "Maayong gabi, sab." Miss Philippines asked, "Kumusta ka?" And Miss Africa said, "Maayo man, ikaw?" And Miss Philippines said, "Maayo sab." So you may practice this by yourself or with a partner, or you can simply just mimic until you gain mastery. Here are some non-verbal communications that Filipinos use in greeting. So number 1, quick raising of both eyebrows to acknowledge someone wordlessly. Number 2, shaking hands upon meeting another person for the first time, or just a formal meeting. And waving. Number 4, for close friends or relatives, hugging or beso-beso, which means cheek to cheek. And number 5, amen, or in Bisaya, amin, putting the back of the hand on one's forehead. This is done usually by a younger person when introduced to someone older, like grandparents, uncles, or aunts. Some reminders. Udto is the time from 12 p.m. to 12:59 or lunchtime. In some parts of the country, they have a time called palis, which is similar to hapon or afternoon. Daghang salamat, amping mong tanan. Kung giganahan ka ini nga video, palihog ko og like ug subscribe sab.